Same office, same salary. 5 years later, very different lives. The colleague sitting next to you, same team, same pay range. You take the subway every morning, maybe a bus after that. He arrives on a bike or in a small car he bought on loan. Both of you slog the same hours, same pressure, same boss. So, why does his money grow quietly while yours feels stuck? He did not buy the car just for comfort. He gave it on rent. A driver runs it. It earns money every day. You both still work in the same office, still slogging, still earning salary. Maybe you are even better at the job. Maybe the boss trusts you more. He sits quietly, does his work, goes home. 3 years pass. You are still taking the subway, still managing monthly bills. And he is also still working, but the car loan is almost finished. The rent covered most of it. Now the car is his, not just transport an asset. Or think about raises. Both of you get a small pay increase. You upgrade your lifestyle slightly. He increases his 401k contribution. Your take home feels nicer. His retirement account grows quietly. The company adds a match over time. That difference becomes serious. You managed your life well, paid your bills, upgraded comfort when needed, nothing irresponsible. But he built something that earns. You maintained something that costs. That is the difference. Not intelligence, not luck. Small money decisions repeated every month, over time. They add up. You and I might both still be working in that same office, still slogging, still earning salary. Hard work pays you, assets pay you again.